Welcome back to GANE Explains, where I give you the tips to turn good writing into great writing. In this new series, we're zooming in on one of the easiest ways to level up your sentences. Your sentence starts. Have you ever read back your own writing and noticed something like this? Yep, you've used the same sentence starters again and again and again. It makes your writing sound robotic, right? And let's be honest, you're in danger of making your reader fall asleep. But don't worry, there's an easy way to fix it. Today, I'm going to show you another great way of beginning some of your sentences. The prepositional phrase start. Let's start by clarifying what a preposition is. Prepositions are words that help tell us where, when, or why something happens. Words like under, on, and beside tell us where something is. Words like before, after, and during tell us when something happens. Words like because of, due to, and as a result of can show why something is done. As you can see, some prepositions are a single word and others are made of multiple words. A prepositional phrase is a group of words that includes the preposition and a noun or pronoun. For example, under the stairs tells us where something is. Before the lesson tells us when something happens. Due to the weather tells us why something is done. Beginning your sentences with prepositional phrases makes them sound more interesting, detailed, and varied. So let's learn how to use them. We'll start with prepositional phrases that tell us where something happens. These begin with words like in, on, under, above, behind, beside, near, below, inside, and outside. They are perfect for setting the scene in your stories. Below the deck, barrels rolled and smashed against the hull of the ship. Inside his cabin, Lord Thomas clung to his bed, offering a silent prayer. Above the roaring sea, thunder growled before lightning split the darkness apart. Now, let's explore some when prepositional phrases. These begin with words like before, after, during, at, on, by, until, since, from, and throughout. Throughout the morning, laughter echoed across the deck, but it soon faded once the storm clouds appeared on the horizon. During the long night, the lightning never stopped flashing. At dawn, the sea began to calm a little, as if its anger had drifted off with the night. Finally, let's look at some why prepositional phrases. These begin with words like because of, due to, thanks to, in response to, as a result of, on account of, in spite of, in case of, for the sake of, and in honour of. Due to the fear thumping inside of him, the cabin boy hid below deck. Thanks to the lookout's quick warning, they had time to lower the sails. As a result of the anchor slipping loose, the ship was carried helplessly by the current. So there you go, some great ways to use prepositional phrases to liven up your sentence starters. Just like anything in writing, don't overuse them, but slipping one in here and there can turn a good sentence into a great one. Time to prove you've got it. Look at this image. Write 2 sentences that begin with a where prepositional phrase. And look at this image. Write 2 sentences that begin with a when prepositional phrase. Finally, look at this image. Write 2 sentences that begin with a why prepositional phrase. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, please help my YouTube channel to grow by liking and subscribing. And if you leave a comment, I promise to reply.